The sum of two numbers is 108. If one exceeds the other by 42, find the numbers. The sum of two numbers is 108. If one exceeds the other by 42, find the numbers. Solution will be let first number be x. Second number will be x plus 42. So according to the relation by the question, x plus 42 will be equal to 108. This is our first number, this is our first number, this is our second number. So 2x will be 2x plus 42 will be equal to 108. 2x will be equal to 108 minus 42, which is 66. 2x is equal to 66, which gives x equal to 66 over 2. X is equal to 33. This is the first number. Second number will be 33 plus 75, which is equal to 108. Second number is 75.